Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2019 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, we click on the picture of the house there, the home button, turn the rotary control till we'll get to navigation, click navigation. Now that's actually come up on the destination screen, but if it hasn't for any reason, let's just go back. We'll go back. Sometimes it'll just come up like that, in which case you just have to click left there, and then you've got enter destination. So enter destination, make sure that's highlighted and click, and then it's a good system, a rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers, so we've done PR 5 4, go back by, we're just on the bottom line, so just click upwards to go to the next line with the letters on, J S, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. There it is. So we select that, click select destination.
The route is being calculated. Now make a U-turn and then immediately turn right.
That's because we're sat on the forecourt. It's just come to the postcode. I haven't put an exact number in. That's how you do it.